Hi guys, how are you? Today our topic is desk organizer, different organizer. You can watch on the screen a cardboard organizer, beautiful decoration, decorate. You are watching another organizer. You can organize him cosmetics items. You can watch another organizer. You can save it. You are watching another organizer, jewelry organizer. You are watching another organizer, the cup and plate use. You are using the saving items for organizer. You are use old cartons for shoe rack. Beautiful organizer, small compatible different items you can save. You are watching another organizer stitching at home. You are watching another organizer, smart and practical. Another organizer you are watching, you can made at home. You are watching another organizer, you can hang jewelry, other items. You are watching an other organizer, you can save the. You are watching the jeans pockets organizer, hang at the wall. You are watching another organizer made by hand, basket. You are watching the cotton box made. You are watching the another organizer how to make to at home. You are watching another heart shape organizer. You decorate with the flowers. You are watching another beautiful organizer, colorful. You can make at home. You are watching another round shape organizer, different pockets. You save your. You are watching another cotton based organizer. You are watching another black color flower print organizer for cosmetics. You are watching another organizer. You can save nail polish. You are watching bangle stand organizer, pink and black shade. You are watching a wall hanging organizer for jewelry and earrings. You are watching another organizer for brushes and jewelry items. You are watching another organizer, pink color, beautiful color. You are watching a desk organizer for books and calculators and other things. You are watching another organizer you can made at home.